Welcome, my beautiful students. How are you today? How are you, girls? Okay, my lovely students, today we will take the second lesson in Unit 2. And as I told you before, this unit is about sea animals. First of all, I will tell you what is the day and the date, girls. Today is what? Today is Monday, and the spelling is Monday, and the date is 13 to 1443 after Hijrah. Open your notebook, please, girls. Write the day with the date. Write Monday, 13 to 1443 after Hijrah. After that, you have to copy this sentence in your notebook. I think a dolphin is cute. I think a dolphin is cute. You have to copy this sentence till the end of the page, okay? So, ask and answer game. If I ask you, my lovely students, give me examples of sea animals like what? Fish, sharks, octopus, whales, dolphins, and seahorse. Okay? Another example or another question, sorry. If I ask you, where are you from? I am from Saudi Arabia. Where do you live? I live in Taif. Okay? So, as I told you before, girls, today we will take lesson 2 in unit 2, page 12 and 13, okay? First of all, give me examples of sea animals again. Fish, shark, octopus, seahorse, whales, walrus, okay? These are sea animals. What is this? We took it before, girls. It is what? It is a seahorse. It is a seahorse. What do you think about it? Or what do you think about a seahorse? I think a seahorse is cute. So if I ask you, what do you think about a seahorse? You can say, for example, I think a seahorse is cute. I think a seahorse is small. I think a seahorse is thin, okay? What do you think about a seal? What is this, girls? It is a seal. I think a seal is cute. Also, I think a seal is slow, right? I think a seal is cute, and I think also a seal is slow. I think a seal is cute, or you can say I think a seal is cute and slow. All of them are right, okay? So, define an adjective. Yesterday, I explained an adjective, or last time. An adjective is a word that is used to describe or modify a noun or a pronoun. We have happy, sad, beautiful, ugly, small, big. We took it before, all of them. Today, we will talk about comparative adjectives and superlative adjectives. Focus with me, please, girls. My own lesson today is very important. We have comparative adjectives and superlative adjectives. First of all, I will explain the comparative adjectives. The comparative adjectives are used to compare أقارن between differences to compare differences between two things, two persons or two animals. في comparative adjectives you should compare between only two things. أقارن بين شيئين بين شخصين or بين حيوانين. Okay, so comparative adjectives are used to compare differences between two things, persons and animals. Here we have the adjectives: larger than, smaller than, slower than, cuter than, and happier than. Girls, the adjective is large. I just add er. Small, smaller, er at the end. Slow, slower, er at the end of the adjective. Cute at the end of cute, r. And happy, I changed the y into I, then I add er. So then, larger than, أكبر من, أصغر من, أبطأ من. Okay? So larger than, smaller than, slower than, cuter than, and happier than. Okay? So Let me give you examples. Here we have two animals, a seahorse and a seal, right? Now here I have two animals. This means that I have to use the comparative adjectives. A seahorse is cuter than a seal. A seahorse is cuter than a seal. A seahorse is cuter than a seal, okay? What about superlative adjectives? Superlative adjectives are used to compare differences between more than two things. أكثر من شيء، أكثر من حيوان، أكثر من أشخاص. يعني أكثر من اثنين. Okay, more than two things, more than two persons, and more than two animals. The largest. أحط قبل الادجective the, then the adjective, after that est. The smallest, the biggest, the slowest, and the cutest. So in the superlative adjectives I should use what? The before the adjective. أحط the before the adjective, then the adjective, after that est. The largest, the smallest, the biggest, the slowest, and the cutest. Okay, let me give you examples to understand more. Compare between these animals. How many animals can you see? I can see three animals, a dolphin, a seahorse, and a seal. So here I have more than two, right? So I have to say, for example, I want to say a seahorse is the cutest of these animals. A seahorse is the cutest of these animals. Here I compared between three animals. So I said a seahorse is the cutest of these animals, okay? So comparative and superlative adjectives. Here we have the adjective cute. The comparative adjective is cuter than. The superlative adjective is the cutest. Scary, scarier than, the scariest. Fast, faster than, the fastest. Big, bigger than, the biggest, okay? Compare between these two animals using the adjective small. Here, between these two animals and هنا two animals, I should add er at the end of the adjective and than. Here we have a fish and a dolphin. A fish is smaller than a dolphin. A fish is smaller than a dolphin. Here, compare between these three animals. Here we have a fish, a dolphin, and a whale. A whale is the biggest of these animals. A whale is the biggest of these animals. Here, why should I use the adjective plus est? Because we have three animals, a whale, a dolphin, and a fish. So I should say a whale is the biggest of these animals, okay? Use the comparative adjectives in the following sentences. A fish is cuter than. Just cuter, okay? Cuter than. A shark is faster than. A shark is scarier than. Scarier than, okay? A seahorse is slower than. Slower than a fish. Here we have use the superlative adjectives in the following sentences. The adjective plus est. A fish is the cutest. A shark is the fastest. A shark is the scariest. So here. The scariest. A seahorse is the slowest of these animals. So a fish is the cutest of all animals. A shark is the fastest of all animals. A shark is the scariest of all animals. And a seahorse is the slowest of all animals. Okay? So what is the first word in my lesson today, girls, is starfish. So this is a starfish and the spelling is S-T-A-R-F-I-S-H. Number one is starfish. Number two, jellyfish. This is a jellyfish and the spelling is J-E-L-L-Y-F-I-S-H. Starfish, jellyfish. And here we have crab. Crab. This is a crab. C-R-A-B. This is a crab and the spelling is C-R-A-P. C-R-A-B. What about this? Girls, this is a squid. And the spelling is S-Q-U-I-D. S-Q-U-I. Me, my lovely students. Please, if I ask you, what do you think about a seahorse? I think a seahorse is slow. Make a comparison between a seahorse and a shark. I think a shark is scarier than a seahorse, okay? Now, as plus adjective plus as. As plus adjectives plus as is used to make comparison when the things we are comparing are equal. So, as plus adjectives plus as is used to make comparison when the things we are comparing are equal. Okay? Now, let me give you examples. As big as small as cute as tall as smaller, as small as. Can I say, girls? Can I say as smaller as? No, this is wrong. So as small as tall as cute as small as, and as big as. Okay? We can't add er or est if you want to use as plus adjective plus as. Okay? Let me give you an example. So here, use as plus adjective plus as. Okay? We have Ahmed and Ali, and we have the adjective tall. Okay? Let me write the sentence. I should say, listen to me. Ahmed, for example, Ahmed is as. Now, what is the adjective? The adjective is tall, right? So, Ahmed is as tall as Ali. So, Ahmed is as tall as Ali. Again, if you want to use if you want to compare between two things and these two things are equal, you should use as plus the adjective plus as. For example, Ahmed is as tall as Ali. Rudin is as short as Ru'a. Salim is as young as Ali. Okay? So, now use as adjective and as in the following sentences. Number one, Amal is Muna. Amal is as tall as tall as Muna. Here we should use that plus add or the adjective. Wait a minute, girls, please. So number two, a dolphin is cute, a baby seal. A dolphin is as cute as a baby seal. Whales are as fast as sharks. A shark is as scary as a lion. Number five, an elephant is as slow as a turtle. So, an elephant is as slow as a turtle. So, girls, you have to use as plus the adjective plus as if you want to compare between two things, then these two things are equal. Okay? Now, correct the mistake in the following sentences. Number one, a shark is as scarier as a lion. This is wrong. We should say as scary as a lion. As scary as a lion. So as what? As scary as a lion. This is the correct answer. We can't say as scarier than. We should say as scary as a lion. Number two, Amal are as tall as Selma. Amal are? No, Amal is. So here, Amal is. Amal what? Amal is as tall as Selma. Number three, a seahorse is slower than a shark. No, A seahorse is slower than a shark. A seahorse is slower than a shark. Okay? Okay, girls? Now let me start the first new word in my lesson today. What can you see, girls? I can see a seagull. So what is this? It is a seagull and the spelling is Seagull. This is a seagull. What about this? What is this? This is an eel. Eel, double E-L. It is an eel. So what is this? It is an eel, double E-L. So the first word is seagull, Seagull. The second word is eel, double E-L. And the third word is baby seal. Baby seal. So what is this? It is a baby seal and the spelling is Babyseal. It is a baby seal. So today we took 3 words together. Number 1, seagull. Number 2, eel. Number 3, baby seal. Okay? Now, reading competition. Focus with me, please, my lovely students, and read this short story if you want me to add 100 points for you in Class Dojo. Okay? Let me start reading, girls. The title of this short story is My Brother. I have a brother. His name is John. We like playing football. We play in the garden. We go to the park with our father. This is the easiest short story ever. My brother. I have a brother. His name is John. We like playing football. We play in the park. We go to the park with our father. My brother. I have a brother. His name is John. We like playing football. We play in the park. We go to the park with our father. Please open your book, page 12, and listen. Girls, my own lesson today is a little bit difficult. So please focus on this lesson. Listen, please.
Grammar in action. Exercise 1. Listen, point, and say. Cute, cuter, the cutest. Scary, scarier, the scariest. Fast, faster, the fastest. Big, bigger, the biggest.
Okay. Exercise 2, listen, point, and chant sea animals.
Exercise 2. Listen, point, and chant sea animals. I think a dolphin is cute. I think a seahorse is cuter than a dolphin. I think a baby seal is the cutest. I think whales are fast. I think sharks are faster than whales. I think dolphins are the fastest.
Okay, girls, we will do this exercise together in my virtual class. Open the activity book, please, girls, page 81 and 82, and listen.
Challenge time. Exercise 3. 3 hints game. Can you listen to 3 hints and guess which sea animal it is? Are you ready? Let's start. It can bite.
Sorry, this one.
Goal 11. I can chant the sea animals chant. 1. Listen and practice the chant.
1. I think a dolphin is cute. 2. I think a seahorse is cuter than a dolphin. 3. I think a baby seal is the cutest. 4. I think whales are fast. 5. I think sharks are faster than whales. 6. I think dolphins are the fastest.
So girls, exercise 2. If you agree, write O in the box. If you don't agree, write X in the box. First of all, you have to copy the sentences down, okay? Here, I agree. Write O in the box if you agree. X if you don't agree, okay? So, exercise 1 here. Listen.
Rule 12. I can say 2 things I think about 2 sea animals. 1. Listen and write the matching number. 1.
It's scary. It has big teeth. It can bite. It's a shark. Did you write 6?
2.
It can walk and swim. It has suckers. It has 8 legs. It's an octopus. Did you write 5?
3.
It can sting. It's not a fish. It's like jelly. It's a jellyfish. Did you write 3?
Okay, girls, listen complete. It's like an octopus, but it has 10 legs. It can change color. It's a squid. 2. It has 5 arms. It can swim. It looks like a star. It's a starfish. Number 1. It has a hard shell. It has 2 big claws. It can punch. It is a crab. Number 4. Then girls, say and write 2 things you think about 2 sea animals. Sea animals: starfish, crab, jellyfish, octopus, squid, shark. Example: I think a baby seal is the cutest. And number 2, I think an octopus is the biggest. I think a shark is the scariest. Open your book, please, girls. As I told you, page 14 and 15. And listen. Listen, girls.
Rhythms and reading. Exercise 1. Listen, chant, and do. Then practice in pairs. As slippery as an eel, as fat as a walrus, as big as a whale, as fast as a dolphin, as scary as a shark, as cute as a baby seal, as slow as a seahorse, as noisy as a seagull.
So, girls, just like something as slippery as an eel, as fat as a walrus, as big as a whale, as fast as a dolphin, as scary as a shark, as cute as a baby seal, as slow as a seahorse, as noisy as a seagull. Okay? Now, girls, the second page. Listen, please.
Challenge time. Exercise 3. Reading race. Can you read fast and match sentences and animals? Are you ready? Let's start. It is as white as snow and as strong as a lion. What do you think? Which animal is it?
A polar bear.
That's right.
So,
Now
A.
find this. It is as scary as a tiger and as quiet as a fish. Can you guess? Which animal is it?
I know. It's a crocodile.
What about this one? It's beautiful and as fast as the wind.
C.
That's easy. It's a horse.
Well done. Now guess the last 2. It is very quiet and as slow as a snail. It is smaller than a cat and as gray as an elephant.
Turtles are slow and quiet. So, the first one is the turtle. And the second one is the mouse. Look, it's as gray as an elephant.
Okay.
Okay, girls. So, D, A, C, E, and B. The activity book, girls, please. The activity book, page 84 and 83. So, 83 and 84, girls. You have to do this exercise, girls, by yourself. This is a homework. Read and match with the pictures. We have slippery, fast, big, scary, fat, slow, noisy, and cute, and match these words with the pictures, okay? Here, choose land animals and write the just like something chant again. An elephant, a snake, a hippo, a monkey, a lion, a baby panda, a turtle, a parrot, and a horse. Okay? You should do it like this, girls. As slippery as a snake, as fat as a hippo, as big as an elephant, as fast as a rabbit, as scary as a lion, as cute as a baby panda, as slow as a turtle, as noisy as a parrot. Okay? And scramble the letters and write the words. Number 1, we have whale. 2, dolphin. Number 3, seagull. Okay? This is the end of my lesson today, my beautiful students. Goodbye and see you in my virtual class. Goodbye, girls. Goodbye.